Alright, let's be real for a second. We've all been there, right? That kitchen bin that just annoys you. The one with the lid that slams shut with a bang, making you jump every single time, especially at 6 a.m. when everyone else is still asleep. Or maybe the pedal stopped working after a few months, forcing you to awkwardly use your hand, or even worse, your foot, to pry it open. And don't even get me started on wrestling a new bag into place, trying to hide the messy overhang that just screams, cheap bin. It's a small thing, but it's a daily annoyance that just adds up. Well, listen up, because I found something that genuinely changes the game. This isn't just a bin, it's a piece of engineering. First off, changing the bag? A dream. It has this genius liner rim that lifts up, so you're not wrestling with the whole top of the bin or dealing with a clumsy bucket. The bag just tucks in neatly, completely out of sight, no messy overhang. It's so fast, so clean, it actually makes the chore feel elegant. And then get this, it has a built-in liner pocket. Inside the can, there's a dispenser for your custom-fit liners. You just pull one out when you need it. No more searching under the sink or in that junk drawer for a new bag. It's always right there, always at your fingertips. But it's not just smart, it's tough. That steel pedal, it's engineered for over 150,000 steps. That's like 20 steps a day for 20 years. No more flimsy plastic pedals snapping off, no more frustration after just a few months. This thing is built to last. And the lid, it has this patented technology called lid shocks, so it just glides down. Slow, quiet, elegant. No more banging, no more startling the cat or the baby, just a gentle whisper close. Plus, it's a dual compartment for recycling, which means keeping your kitchen tidy and eco-friendly actually looks good, rather than having 3 mismatched bins cluttering up the corner. Honestly, the difference between this and those flimsy, cheap bins you grab at the supermarket is night and day. This isn't just a bin, it's an upgrade to your daily life. Once you use it, you genuinely wonder how you ever put up with anything else. I linked the exact model below to save you from scrolling through all the options yourself, because there are a few. So is it worth the money? Absolutely yes. Think about how many cheap bins you've bought that break, look terrible, or just frustrate you daily. This is an investment in your sanity and your home's aesthetic for years to come. It's built to last, designed to make a mundane chore genuinely easier and more pleasant. You're not just buying a bin, you're buying peace of mind and genuine quality that you'll appreciate every single day. If you want to check it out, I have left a link for you below.